Nerdventure in the rain. Where are we going? Airport? Bags? Drone championships. That's right. MultiGP drone champs. I got to stay in a super fancy Sheraton hotel last night because my flights were boned. Super boned. This was better than sleeping at the airport by a lot. Dude, I'm in Florida. Finally, I got one of my checked bags. They lost one of my bags. They didn't lose it. It's in Phoenix. They just didn't bring it. Which was actually kind of a hidden blessing because it was going to be a pain in the ass to lug those two bags all the way as far as I had to lug them, but probably wouldn't have a cart. Either way, I'm on my way, finally, to MultiGP Champs. I got to the airport about now, yesterday. But I'm going to No Quarter Ranch now. I'm on my way. The address is in my phone, and we're headed the right direction. That thing's sick. Like 2 hours driving, we've made it to the No Quarter Ranch in Citrus something Springs? I think it's Citrus Springs, Florida. They got a huge property. This place is massive.
7.
There's Doug.
6. 5.
But check this out.
46. 2. 1.
Alright,
dude.
fine. Way to get to that sense so you can get...
Dude, they got a huge pit area and everything. Also, fucking front.
Sir Tom have one.
They're gonna race until 8, which is after dark. So they got lights because they're ballers. There's a light tower in the middle of the whole track and giant illuminated dongs. It is about 20 minutes after 7. We're here at the MultiGP Champs, enjoying more qualifying action as they work their way into the night, under the lights. Super awesome facility here. Michelle and Mark Brooks have dedicated their backyard in Florida to make drone racing awesome. And it's not just the track, they have permanent pit facilities. They have one over there, their beautiful home. It's fantastic. I mean, there's 2 buildings back here for whatever, race ops stuff. It is about 20 minutes after 7. We're here at the MultiGP Champs, enjoying more qualifying action as they work their way into the night, under the lights. Super awesome facility here. Michelle and Mark Brooks have dedicated their backyard in Florida to make drone racing awesome. And it's not just the track, they have permanent pit facilities. They have one over there, their beautiful home. It's fantastic. I mean, there's 2 buildings back here for whatever, race ops stuff. It's like 8:30-ish. Everybody's heading out, going to their various locations for fun. MultiGP Champs. Oh, it got late and I realized I didn't have a hotel reserved yet, and I was talking to Lonnie from the Cleveland Quad Squad. He's like, dude, you should come stay with us. So I said, fine, because they have an Airbnb and it's Taco Tuesday and they're gonna make tacos. So after 9, Champs day. This is officially, I think, day 2 of racing. Qualifying is now over. Today is the sports finals. They're gonna run the, I guess you'd call them non-qualified guys, because the top 8 transfer into the finals, and then from 9th through 40th has a bracket race to get another 8 people to make a top 16. But this morning, at some stage, they're going to run the bottom section of the field, like 40th through 50th or something like that. I think somebody told me there was 55 or so people signed up for sports class, or qualified rather. So you go, look at this place. It looks beautiful in the morning. About 11 o'clock, they got some practice runs in, and now the top 9 in the, what is it, other 40? Second 40? I'm not sure what it's called, but they're in their first race of double eliminations. Copters in the sky, Mrs. Scully on the mic. It's a beautiful day at MultiGP Champs.
Already at her first dive tower.
Look,
hey, look at Ferrari. He's working his way.
This is the final 4 of the
True sport class.
The sports class, which is the next 40.
This is true sport.
Top 9 got whittled down to this top 4 for a final 4 Chase the Ace format. And there is an Ironman engaged, so it's possible this could all be over in 1 if this man wins.
That's correct. Sir Tom
Ginger Jesus. Oh, sorry.
On the right podium.
Here we go with your final
These
4.
races are like about 2 minutes long.
9 brackets.
This is the first
Iron
round to
Man
chase
is
the
this
ace
podium
and
closest
give an
to
ace
us
to
with the
chase
black
the
props.
Iron
The
Man,
red
Sir
props is
Tomcat.
Roger.
If he wins this race, the rest of the finished
I
positions
think
will
the
decide
blue
your
props
podium.
is
It's on Laws FPV
Madero.
Focus and El Madero to push this to extra innings. Good luck, pilots. Arm your quads. Live on the tone, less than 5.
Ooh, that's a hard start.
A championship, our first championship race of the afternoon is brought to you by HD0. Feel the HD resolution.
Your
with
leader
zero latency.
looks to be Roger with the red prop
Race
so
your
far.
sharp,
Oh, and that's
sight as well.
somebody hit the ground.
And
Looked like that.
issues here off the
Nope.
start for Sir
Still Roger out
Tomcat.
front.
Your leader is down in the grass. This one may go to extra innings, but now Sir Tomcat is able to recover his craft remotely. Turtle mode's out of it. He is back in the pack, and now they're starting to drop like flies. Issues for Focus, who was your leader after we lost Sir Tomcat. He is down. So your leader now is Laws FPV, and chasing him down, El Madero, along with
Leader
Sir
coming at us.
Tomcat,
Going to
are
that tower.
TQ and Iron Man in
Over
this one.
above the
Gonna try
tunnel,
and
then they loop back to the
reclaim
Hobbywing flag, come through that gate,
that Iron Man
into the tunnel,
title,
and around the
championship
outside.
here in the midst, but again, looking to go to extra innings. Laws is about a gate and a half ahead of Sir Tomcat, and El Madero within the mix as well. White flag about to fly as we'll push
This
them
is our
here
leader.
on the lap number
Oh,
2. There goes
Sir
your leader,
Tomcat
El Madero, with a 59.6.
the Iron
Pretty good
Man.
lead, and now
If he
Laws
catches these guys
for
before the
running that
lap is
defense
over.
for us to go to extra innings. Missed the dive right before the start-finish gate. Had to go back. He's in second. 8 seconds back off of our leader. But here comes Sir Tomcat as well onto that final lap. He's 11.8 seconds away from the lead. He was down for about 20. He's already made up about 9 seconds. So if he
Sir
keeps the pace that
Tomcat
he's on,
is putting
he
on a
may be
heater
able to
right now.
clinch it.
He's only
one's
one or
deciding that.
two
El
obstacles
Madero and
behind our
Laws
leader.
FPV here in this
Pink
final
props.
lap. Looking at Laws
no, sorry,
FPV,
blue
great
props coming
dive
at us
on
in the
that
center,
one.
and
I'm
you
not
see
sure if he's
two
caught up to
obstacles
El
now
Madero as
behind
yet.
Sir
El Madero
Tomcat,
still
trying to
flying
reel
his
him
own
in.
race and looking to push this
Ooh,
one.
it's
to
going to be
extra
close.
innings.
It's going to be close. They're coming down to the wire. He's closing up time, but he's trying not to make any mistakes. Here he comes.
Look at this.
Here they go.
Side
Oh,
by
Sir Tomcat
side.
takes
It
him.
looks like we may have had a change.
If he keeps it,
El
oh no!
Madero may have got
He
in
made
front.
some contact with the
Madero
ground,
now
had to go
punching
back
out.
for it. He had it, made it
Full
all the way
throttle.
back. But now here's our leader.
And
Sir Tomcat's
it is
right
gonna
behind him.
be-
Oh no! Leader! Oh no! Sir Tomcat
Sir
wins.
Tomcat
Yeah,
gets by.
he got by him in the
Sir
dive.
Tomcat just saved his race.
Oh my gosh!
Laws crossed over
From
second by a
last
second.
to
El
the
Madero,
front
3 seconds
in
back.
2 laps. That was pretty
So
impressive.
That 9-second
That's pretty
deficit
impressive.
after lap 1. He's able to cinch it right there to get it done in 1. Iron Man mode engaged, and Sir Tomcat is
Oh, nice comeback. That was awesome.
Let's go get your rig, Tommy.
Ginger Jesus for the win.
Reserve champion. Second on our podium is going to be Laws FPV. Third overall. Brackets.